Look for the pattern. Structure is everywhere. See how it is built.
A mountain goat standing at the base of a cliff scans the rock face for the ledges and seams that link together into a climbable path. Problem solving in mathematics relies on this same observation, looking past the surface difficulty of a problem to find the internal patterns within its components. Looking for and making use of structure means recognizing patterns, like the distributive property or geometric parts, to simplify the reasoning needed to solve a problem. Approaching a problem by reading its mathematical environment allows for a more efficient path forward than relying on brute force effort. Look at the expression 6x plus 12. A student might rewrite this as 6 times the quantity x plus 2 based on a specific structure they noticed. In this expression, a shared factor of 6 exists within both the 6x and the 12. Factoring out that 6 reveals a repeated structure, and the expression becomes 6 times the quantity x plus 2. The students simplified the problem because they noticed and extracted the common factor of 6. This works because looking for structure leverages relationships already present in the expression to reduce the need for manual calculation. Consider the problem 3/8 plus 1/8. There is a specific structure here that makes this addition manageable at a glance. Both fractions utilize eighths as their shared unit size. Since these parts are the same size, you only need to combine the numerators. Combining 3 and 1 results in 4/8, which simplifies to 1/2. The denominator names a structural unit size that remains constant, which helps clarify why the denominators themselves are not added together. At first glance, 24 times 15 presents a steep challenge for mental multiplication. Pause the video and consider how the 15 could be broken apart to make the computation easier. Breaking 15 into its base 10 parts, 10 and 5, creates a structure that simplifies the partial products. The problem can now be solved as 24 times 10 and 24 times 5. Decomposing a quantity into simpler parts makes the math mentally manageable without changing the whole. A universal strategy for any problem is to pause and state, "I notice that blank," before beginning any calculations. Today, that meant identifying a common factor, recognizing equal parts, and decomposing numbers. Developing the habit of noticing and exploiting these structures allow you to solve increasingly complex problems with greater efficiency.
Find the hidden structure. Patterns make it simple. Math has shape.